Hi friends, just a quickie. I've just finished watching Pete's show on a Sunday morning. So I'm just making some signs. Very quickly, very simple. What I have is, I have a... Where are they? Where are they? I can't find them. I've lost them. I have these sticks, which are just the bottom of the hardware store. I think they're just for holding little house plants or something like that. That's all they are. Those there. So what I'm doing is cutting the sticks up into pieces. So what I sometimes do is I cut pieces out of magazines. If you're the guy who buys a lot of magazines, especially motorsport magazines, you'll have a ton of these to be able to make. Get your piece of paper, some PVA glue, get a piece of card, okay? Get a piece of card and just PVA glue that onto the card. Now, cut the edges and all that. And then all you do is, I'm going to do this very quickly. This is not a good example because it's these need to be flattened a little bit and they're not. But what I do is, let me just put the camera somewhere. So you get a bit, you get your whatever you're going to use. Get them nice and flat. Now these didn't need to be stick onto cardboard. They come, Slotcar Union send these when you order a car. They send you these, and you can cut them and use them for a sign. So I just got to get two that I cut the same. Those two here, okay. And very simply, all I do is put a bit of glue on the stick, stick it on there, put another bit of glue on this stick, going hard, very quickly stick this one on here and hope you catch a bit of glue before it goes off. Sorry guys, unorganized today completely. This is just a quickie. It's a very quick post. So now, because the camera fell, the glue went off. So you gotta get this stuck before the glue goes hard, or then it won't stick properly. But what I also do is I get a little bit of glue in the end there. So just get my glue gun, stick a little bit of glue in there. That'll hold that. Okay. Hold it with your fingers. It's a little bit hot, but the cardboard will protect your little fingers. You see, hold that for a minute. Oh, that's hot. Okay. That'll go off. And then the other side is okay. So basically that's all I'm doing. Very simple. Oops. Very simple. And that sticks into your track. There's a few I made earlier. Just an example. So you have that. There's your sign. I put one, say, just on one side this time, because it's going to go against the wall. And it'll stick straight into your styrofoam, like that. There's your sign. Now, usually before I do the sign, I paint these with a little bit of brown acrylic wash paint, 50-50 wash, just to give them a little bit of an old look, But again, same thing, that's a double-sided sticker. It can go anywhere on the track that you want to put it, And that's it. This hot glue gun was the cheapest one I could find. It was €3. I think it was €3. And a very, very, very cheap gun. I've only used it a few times, but when I use it, it's absolutely perfect. Okay, whose eye is that? Who recognized that face? I'll leave that up to you guys, see if you recognize. That's it, guys, folks. A quick post. I really enjoyed Pete's show, Track Fans TV. Give that a watch. It's on every Sunday morning, UK time. I think it's 7:30 UK time, which is 9:30 for me, so it's grand. So, there we go. A quickie. There's our Slotcar Union. That one's ready. That's all I do. I can still touch these up. Should really do these first, but I can touch these up now with some brown wash just to darken them a little bit. And they'll be going around my track. That's my local printing company who do all my stuff I want printed. Thanks for watching.